Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create a trip in the TripIt application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, and then click on the trips button at the bottom of the page on the left, and then click on the three dots at the top of the page on the right, and then click on the create a trip button. So first you can set a name for your trip, and then you have to set your destination city, that is mandatory, and then just choose the start and the end date, and then you can also give a short description, like what you want to see. Is there anything special that you would like to add to this trip? And then just click on the save button and your trip is created. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.